Equipment upgrades and finalizing a Best Buy install. If a Best Buy customer would like to add equipment to their install package, you will need to add that equipment in the Package tab of TechGenie using the plus icons next to each item. When this is done, select Save and Review with the customer using the Package Summary tab. Install the equipment and deploy as new in the Task List tab. Once a Best Buy install is complete, the last step you must take before completing the work order is to finalize the transaction. Select the External Transactions tab and select Send Basket. Please note, once you select Send Basket, no additional changes can be made, such as upgrades, downgrades, or swaps. So be sure that the system installation is complete before continuing. After the basket is sent, call Best Buy Customer Care, known as ECC, using the number provided beneath the Send Basket button, or by calling the SHP helpline and selecting option 9. Identify yourself as a Vivint installer, and the information you may need to provide can be found on this screen, such as the basket ID and 4-part key. Once the information is saved on their end, select Check Status, and a new 4-part key will generate at the bottom. At this point, you can select Save and end the call with Best Buy ECC. Nest and Echo. For Best Buy customers, if a Nest or an Echo are part of the install package, this will not be indicated on the work order or anywhere else in TechGenie. You will need to communicate with the customer and ask if they purchased these items. The customer will have taken these items home from the store, and it will also be indicated on their Best Buy receipt. Install and deploy them as existing in your TechGenie task list. If the customer does not have a Nest or an Echo and would like to upgrade, you will need to call into AMI and have those items added to the quote. Install them and deploy as new equipment in your TechGenie task list. Once the install is complete, follow the process to finalize the transaction using the External Transactions tab in TechGenie. Equipment downgrades. If a Best Buy customer would like to remove equipment from their install package, you will need to remove that equipment in the Package tab of TechGenie using the minus icons next to each item. When this is done, select Save and Review with the customer using the Package Summary tab. Then you will need to call into AMI and have the quote adjusted. Once the install is complete, follow the process to finalize the transaction using the External Transactions tab in TechGenie. Equipment swaps. If a Best Buy customer would like to change their install package by swapping equipment and the total price stays the same, simply make the changes in the Package tab using the plus or minus icons next to each item. When this is done, select Save and Review with the customer using the Package Summary tab. Once the install is complete, follow the process to finalize the transaction using the External Transactions tab in TechGenie.